Hello, Phil Plourd, your head of market intelligence for EverAg Insights. Please be sure to read the disclaimer at the end of this video. Okay, we're back to talk about Phil Plourd's Monday morning demand notes. That's right. Every Monday, we publish data, news, analysis, tidbits about the macroeconomic forces and industry and consumer trends that we think matter for the markets we cover. This week, we're looking at a couple of things through the lens of the re-election of Donald Trump as president of the United States. We are asking ourselves, are we looking at a remake or a sequel? First, we talk about trade. Of course, 2017, President Trump comes into office, imposes some pretty stiff tariffs on Chinese goods coming to the United States, billions of dollars of goods. China retaliates by imposing 25% duties on U.S. dairy, beef, pork, grains. U.S. ag exports to China went from $22 billion in 2016 to $9 billion in 2018. But then the two sides got together, negotiated a deal, and by 2020, those exports were back up to $33 billion. So it had a happy ending, but there's quite a bit of pain in markets in the middle. We look at Mexico. The USMCA replaced NAFTA. Trade with Mexico boomed. There was a little kerfluffle around trucks into Mexico, and Mexico imposed some cheese duties for a brief period of time. But for the most part, smooth sailing. But now, of course, President Trump goes back into office with border security a huge issue. Already talking about tariffs as the stick to coax Mexico to enforce the border or do what they can on that side of the fence. So we are looking at some pretty delicate times ahead with our relationship with Mexico. And given that Mexico is our second most important agriculture export market and definitely the first for dairy, we'll be keeping a close eye on that. We also talk about energy, the whole notion of drill, baby, drill, and what that could mean in terms of energy prices and the American consumer. The safest prediction of all is that we'll be boring for the next several months, and we'll be keeping track of it all in Monday Morning Demand Notes. If you want a copy, click a link in the bio. Thank you.